Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stuck on AliExpress app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve stuck on AliExpress app? You should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you can click on AliExpress and you will enter. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.